we divide 770 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 770 divided by 2 is 385. So this much for today and thanks for watching.